In this video, we will show you how to delete application on Google Play Console. Okay, if you have a developer account and you want to delete the package or your application, actually now the feature is available. You can do that by clicking your application. For example, here. For example, I want to delete this application, and in here you can go to the view release overview. Okay, and in here you can see if you choose the advanced settings. Okay, if you choose the advanced settings, you can see this option, delete these apps. Okay, once delete, you have 7 days to recover deleted app. After the deadline, your app will be permanently deleted. We need just to delete this application. Okay, you need to input the transaction ID and the package name. Okay, let's see our package name. Here is your package name, so you can copy this package name. Okay, you can paste in here. This is our package name. And the second, you need to see the transaction ID. This is when you register your developer account. You can click here. Okay, and you can click learn more. So in here you can see the Google payments. Okay, after that it will open your activity, and you can find the transaction ID here on the activity here. Okay, this is the activity. We can just copy this and paste the transaction ID here. Then we can go to next. Okay, type delete to confirm you understand what happened next. Okay, we will delete this. Your app will be deleted from Google Play and it will no longer be available to download into new devices. Existing user will keep your app on their device, but you won't be able to make update to your app. Existing user may experience issue if your app use any Play APIs and such as Google Play Billing and another. So we have 7 days to recover if we confirm the delete here. Okay, but in my case I need just delete my application, so we can just click delete app button here. Wow, this feature is very useful when we need to delete our application. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to delete application on Google Play Console. And we have this menu recover app if we need to recover our application. But that's all for now. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.